Check out the size of these blueberries. They're massive. All right, listen, I'm always looking for ways to put more protein into my diet. So today I have a recipe that is delicious and will do just that. And I got this recipe from my good friend Karen from In the Kitchen with Karen. She has some delicious protein-packed recipes that are simple, healthy, so you'll want to go and check her out. But I'm excited to make this one. And you know it's got to be good because it has blueberries. So let's put this all together. All right, this is my old trusted Cuisinart food processor that I've had for years. Don't judge me. It has seen better days, but it's still working, so I'm going to use it. Anyway, I've got a cup of cottage cheese here, and I'm going to add 2 eggs. And I'm going to blend this together until it's smooth and creamy. All right, so for the sweetness, I'm going to use some maple syrup, but you could use honey as well, but I'm going to use 1/3 cup of maple syrup. I like using these natural sweeteners. All right, I'm going to blend that. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to blend this real quick. All right, then 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. And I'm just leaving this all in my food processor, and I'm going to blend it all up together. So I am using an 8x8 square pan, and I've got my Pioneer Woman oil mister here. And you can check this out. It's on my Amazon storefront if you'd be interested. And I'll give you the link below. All right, now for the blueberries. I'm going to fold them into my oatmeal mixture here. Cup or so. And like I said, I'm just kind of folding them in. Dump this mixture into my baking pan here. And this is a Pampered Chef. I've had this forever. Stone baking dish. All right, I've got to confess something to you. And I almost just completely deleted this video and started over. But I forgot the milk. Karen, you're probably watching this and thinking, where's the milk? I forgot the milk. And these things happen. This is real life. I'm just in my kitchen cooking and I forgot the milk. So I'm going to add it now. All right, so called for a cup of milk, and I'm using the Fairlife. It's got a little bit more protein. It calls for a cup. I'm just gonna stir in 1 cup at a time. My goodness, I can't believe I did this. This is gonna be okay. These things happen. Switch into a spoon here. This is okay. This is gonna be fine. This is all good. I'm not gonna stress. Okay, see, it's all good. I'm even gonna throw in some more blueberries. All right, so now I'm gonna bake it in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes till it's nice and firm in the middle. All right, so I just pulled it out of the oven. It's nice and firm. And look at it. I think it's gonna be okay. Okay, it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna give this a taste test. Oh, Karen. That is delightful. Oh, yeah. I hope you guys give this a try. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time.